panic video. I've done that. I cross-post to your page. I can cross-post to my page.
Good.
But I'm not getting a video source here. It's not good. I wonder if it's routed to back there. And we can't do it from here anymore. I mean, it's not even picking up like a video source.
I'll grab her.
It's not good. Normally it comes up automatically. It's not even picking up.
Yes, we're having issues. I think it's from Elemental's end.
Oh no.
Yeah. Like it's like what's really weird is I go to the Facebook page.
Yeah.
I did the post detail. What's really weird is it's not even saying the post detail is done, and when I go to edit post detail, it keeps erasing my title.
What?
Can you refresh that page? See if that.
Yeah, maybe that's something.
I'm gonna get in here and type for a second. Okay. Oh, everything just popped up.
Wow. That's
All right.
all you needed.
Type everything in, cross post again, and we're good to go.
That's it.
Everything's
You
cross-posted.
needed Kate in here.
Everything's cross-posted. This is all set, and all I have to do is say go live whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
Oh.
Mic on?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, why is it still showing?
My mic's not on.
That's delayed.
It's always delayed, yeah. By about 10 seconds.
Okay, let's go get them.
All right, we're going live. All right.
All right.
Hi.
Hi. Good Saturday morning, everyone. First Alert Meteorologist Eric Burke alongside Meteorologist Jeff Desnoyers. As promised, we will have continuing coverage as we go through this First Alert Weather Day Saturday. Going to be an active day of weather. Already watching some storms firing up. A very angry storm right now in parts of central Mississippi, tracking northeast. Just know right now, as of just before 1:30 a.m., we have no immediate concern. No one in the Tennessee Valley needs to be sheltering right now, but just something that we're continuing to watch as we go. We're back up. Are we back up? I think we may be having some issues with the stream. Just trying to... I think we've got some buffering issues here. Trying to sort this out. But we can go over to the radar, just so you don't have to look at me, show you what's going on. One thing we have working in our favor is that this storm is potentially going to move into a more stable atmosphere here over parts of northwest Alabama, and that would mean a weakening trend. Now, we're still potentially looking at the threat for damaging straight-line wind gusts, large hail, frequent cloud ground lightning, a lot of heavy rainfall, and there is still a potential tornado threat coming to this. All right, now we're going to go over to the radar. It just looks a little weird on our end, but we've got 500 of you here early this morning, and we're going to zoom in on this tornado warning right now. It's heading right for Tupelo, Mississippi. Now, this is moving at a speed of about... where's the speed? Speed would be in the chat. At last check, I think it was about 55 miles per hour to the northeast. And this tornado warning does have the considerable tag. That's why you may be noticing that that gray box is around it. And if you just simply look over at the debris here, there is pretty substantial debris showing up north and west of where that actual center of rotation is. Now, this is a confirmed tornado. I believe is still a confirmed tornado. They are expanding that tornado warning now for areas to the northeast. And this goes until 1:30 this morning for Calhoun, Mississippi. If we click on this warning, though, this one goes until 2:15. So we're potentially looking at this storm moving into parts of northwest Alabama, including you in Franklin and maybe even Colbert County. This would be for you folks maybe in Red Bay, Vina, Hodges area, eventually Russellville, Phil Campbell, kind of that area of concern. We'll put a storm track on this and just give you, the latest storm track on this will say if it's moving at 60 miles per hour here, and then we're going to go ahead and extend that right click. We're going to extend that for all the way out here just to include a few of our towns. We'll get Red Bay, Belmont, Vina. So again, that's about the 245 hour we're looking at this. The question is, will it keep its strength going, or will it start to weaken as it moves into that less favorable thing? I know a lot of you are talking about the glitches here. We're trying to sort that out. We have people here. They are actively working on it too, so bear with us. If we have to restart the stream, we will let you know. As far as I know right now, you guys could potentially hear me.
With that,
All right, we are troubleshooting here as best as we can. Yes, there is a tornado on the ground in Mississippi. This looks like right now it is kind of taking more of a easterly turn, what we call a right mover, and that is potentially going to continue to move a bit more to the right. We are working on these technical issues. Please bear with us. We've got people that are trying to get to the bottom of this as we speak too. So apologize about that. So now the tornado warning, it seems, is now, they've dropped that considerable tag, and I think our stream just keeps going in and out.
yeah, just to let everybody know that we're buffering and we're having some issues with it going in and out, and that means the microphone goes in and out a little bit too. But we will keep updates coming for you, and we're going to keep going and continue to bring updates for you. And I'm sorry that the connecting stream is in and out. We may have to reboot and try this one more time, but we are tracking that tornado that is touched down, and it's been confirmed tornado in Mississippi. We have the radar up for you. Just for those of you who are logging in and don't realize what you're looking at map-wise, this is Mississippi. Alabama's to the east. We're still west of Tupelo. This has been a cell that has a tornado history of a tornado all the way back when you go all the way back to Grenada. And as it continues to move to the northeast, it's moving about 55 miles an hour. And it's a tornado warning still, but there was an urgency with the tornado warning prior to the last update. So what's happened is maybe seeing some signs of weakening as the storm moves north and east, but there's still a tornado warning on it, and therefore we are watching it closely. It's really the only thing that we're watching right now. There are other storms off to the south in South Mississippi that continue to lift off to the north and east.